Next topic is tides. So, what is tides? Tides are the periodic rise and fall of water level in ocean. Periodic rise and fall of water level in the ocean is known as tides. The rise in the level of ocean water is the high tide. That is the increase in the water level in ocean water, that is known as high tide, and lowering, that is decreasing of the water level, is known as low tide. High tide, low tide. So let us look into the reasons for tides. Tides are formed as a result of the gravitational pull exerted by the moon and sun along with the centrifugal forces due to the earth's rotation. What is the reason for tides? Tides is formed because of the gravitational pull which is exerted by both your sun and the moon along with what? Your centrifugal force due to the earth's rotation. Because of the earth rotation, the centrifugal force and the gravitational force of the moon and sun will result for the tides. Here the figure 5.4, the water level on the part of the earth facing the moon rises. Here water part on the, here you can see the outer layer of the earth are violet color. That means the water level on the part of the earth facing to the moon is rises. The water level which is facing to the moon will rises, and which is opposite, that is the north and south pole, they are having low level of water, that is low tide. What might be the reason? The rise in water level due to the gravitational exerted by the moon leads to high tide, because the gravitational pull of the moon will result for the high tide in the in this area. Then you might have noticed that the water level at the opposite side also has risen. That is because the centrifugal force due to the earth's rotation is the reason for the rise in the water level there. Because of the centrifugal force in the opposite direction also, it is having high tide. It can be seen that the water level goes down at places located near 90 degrees away from the places of tidal influence. Where your C and D, there it is having low tide. Why it is? This is due to the draining of water towards the tidal region. What happens? See, when one area is having, when these both A and B is having high tides, what happens? You have C and D, the water will be very few. That means the draining of the water will occurs. Because of this draining of water, all the water will goes near A and B, and the C and D will facing the low tide. The phenomena of fall of water is known as low tide. The phenomena which the water level is high is high tide, where the water level is low, that is known as low tide. Clear? In addition to the gravitational pull of the moon, the gravitational pull exerted by the sun also causes tides. Though the moon is smaller than the sun, its attraction is more powerful than that of the sun, since it is closer to the earth. Clear? Next, spring tides and neap tides. There are two types of tides. One is spring and another one is neap tide. Here you can see what is spring tide, what is neap tide. See figure 5.5. The sun, the moon and the earth comes in a straight line on full moon and new moon days. Your sun and the moon and the earth will be on the straight line. The tidal force will be intense due to the combined influence of the sun and moon. Because this sun and moon are in the straight line, what happens? The both sides of the earth is what happened? The combined influence of the sun and moon is the tidal force will influence. As a result, the tides formed on these days will be stronger. On these days, that is on the new moon and full moon days, the tides will be very stronger. These are known as spring tides. When the sun, moon and earth is on the same line, straight line, then this tide will be very strong. That is known as the spring tide. The moon and the sun will be at an angular distance of 90 degrees from the earth after 7 days from the full moon and new moon days. What happens after full moon and new moon days? This moon and the sun will be in a 90 degree, that is on the right angle triangle, that is moon will be on the top and the sun will be on the straight of the earth, that is on the 90 degree. You are seeing in your maths how it will be a right angle similarly a 90 degree it will be there after 7 days of this new moon and full moon days. As the sun and the moon attract the earth from an angular distance of 90 degree, the tides caused are very weak. When it is on a straight line, it is very strong. When it is on the 90 degree, when the sun and moon is at a 90 degree, what happens? The tide will be very weak. Such weak tides are known as neap tides. Clear? When it is straight, moon, sun and earth is straight, it is spring. When moon and sun and earth is in a 90 degree, then it is neap. Here, when it is straight, it is very strong, that is, and when it is in the 90 degree, it is very weak. What are the effects of tides? High tides and low tides have many effects. What are they? The debris dumped along the seashores and ports are washed off to the deep sea. What happened? Whatever your waste is, everything, whatever you are dumped in the along with the seashores and near the ports, what happened? It is washed off to the deep sea. The formation of deltas is disrupted due to strong tide. Because of this strong tide, whatever deltas are formed, it is also cleared up or washed off. Brackish water can be collected in salt pans during high tides. During high tides, what happen? You can collect some brackish water in a salt pans, or you can collect some salt pans during this high tides. The fishermen make use of the tides for going and returning from the sea in catamarans. What happens? They will make use of when there is high tide and low tide, or they will make use of when they will have to go, when they have to return. Tidal energy can be used for power generation. Ships can be brought to shallow harbors during high tides. What happens when there is high tides? It is easy to come towards the harbors, that is near the shores, when for the ships.